Adaptive living starts with adaptive products. I'm Connor. I'm at KBIS 2026 in Orlando, Florida. One of the innovation winners, a gold winner, is the new Verity product from Richelieu Hardware. This is an adaptive living countertop that allows you to have a vanity set low when you have people with mobility challenges, but also just maybe shorter people in your family. Adaptive living isn't just for people with mobility challenges or end of life, but also every day. You've got kids, shorter family members, taller folk like myself, is we can adjust this over the range of your different occupants. Second to that is maybe you have needs to actually access upper cabinets from a lower seated position in a wheelchair or other device, is we can lower these upper cabinets, again, with this Verity hardware, super innovative, grab cups, grab plates, safely bring them down, wash them, etc., and then put those back into position. There are additional controls within if you are a taller family member to adjust it within the actual cabinet itself, but all of these are down in a comfortable position. This is part of Richelieu Hardware's larger collection, including the Butler, which is an adjustable wardrobe rack. Again, to bring this down to reach things, make them comfortable. You're in a home with taller ceilings, as I put in my house because I'm a tall human being. We're able to access things, store them safely, but all these innovations available at Richelieu Hardware. Thanks.